Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are dining at a truly special place, Paon Bali, which is the signature Indonesian restaurant located inside the luxurious Hilton Bali Resort. Right from the moment you step in, you will be drawn towards the beautiful ambience of the place, the traditional Balinese architecture. The vibes are so warm. The atmosphere here is so soothing, soft lighting, wooden textures, and open air seating, which makes you feel connected to nature while still indulging in the dining. And the live music playing adds an authentic Indonesian touch. They have an open kitchen concept, so you can actually watch how they so delicately and intricately decorate and craft each dish with utmost care. Here you can try a variety of contemporary Balinese dishes. The dishes are looking so yummy, I just can't wait to try them out. The chefs take great pride in preparing and serving the dishes with such a warm smile. The friendly and welcoming service given by the staff has made our dining such an enjoyable experience. We were really impressed by the excellent personalized service by Mr. Adi, Ms. Dian and the other very efficient staff. The presentation was beautiful, but the taste even better. The rich spices, the perfectly cooked meats and a balance of textures that made every bite so delicious. They even have vegetarian options that taste just as amazing. I would specially recommend their vegetarian soup, which is just out of this world. It's too yum.
So they're plating for the fried rice chicken.
Nasi goreng.
Yes, nasi goreng. And the behind is the seafood curry, and on the corner there's the crispy chicken.
Ayam goreng daun kari, the seafood curry. This one, ayam goreng daun kari. This one for the sambal, chicken, and
Thank you very much. Thank you for coming. See you tomorrow.
Our first visit here was such a delightful experience that we certainly had to come again. If you're staying at the Hilton Bali Resort or somewhere nearby, then you must definitely try their Indonesian BBQ buffet dinner, which is on every Tuesdays and Fridays. The buffet offers a variety of authentic Indonesian barbecue dishes, and they also have traditional Balinese dance performances, which are definitely worth seeing.
good evening. I'm Dian from Paon Bali Restaurant. I work at Hilton Bali Resort. So this is our restaurant. We use the Balinese food and Indonesian food. Thank you.
It was Mr. Adi's day off, so he was not around, but we were very well looked after by Miss Dian and the other efficient staff.
No egg also. So because no oil, my team serve you with the mushroom skewer.
Very nice, very nice.
Thank
Appreciate
you.
it.
Thank you,
Dian.
My
Thank you so
pleasure.
much. It was our last day at Hilton Bali and we had gone out sightseeing, so we were late coming in spite of having booked our table for the buffet. We could not reach in time.
Surprise for the last meal dessert. So the cheesecake, and this for the Balinese cake. So this is the palm jelly, and this one cassava cake.
Wow.
Wow.
And
Wonderful.
that's the
Thank
cheesecake. Yes, please.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Friends, I would definitely recommend you to visit this place and try out the delicious Indonesian cuisine here. Thanks for joining. Please do like, share and subscribe for more such reviews.